Okay, getting ready to go out. If you saw my the short that I put up yesterday, I see it had kind of a pretty snowstorm. It was wet, heavy snow. So there's some branches down, and so the power's out. Where the kids are, they haven't had power for, I don't know, must be up to 24 hours by now. Power went out here last night, and so that's less fun than it should be. Plus the fact that here the water runs on an electric pump. So anyway, this could be a fun time coming up. Anyway, I got to head out, buy some water and some other stuff, and we'll kind of take a look at things as we go along the road. Okay, catch up to you. Depending on how I put this thing together, you can see the road is starting to look like spring. It's only in terms of being cold, it's 35, so not very cold. You can see, I think, all the snow melting down the roadway there. I don't have my snow tires on yet. I do that next week. Didn't want to rush things. I do have 4-wheel on this though, so that's a good thing. Okay, nobody coming that way. I think these roads are going to be okay. Put her back in the 2-wheel drive here. Pardon the windshield wiper. So I gotta buy some water and some other stuff to keep me going until the power comes back. Called ahead so I know the store up in Bradford is open. Alright, catch you later. Some branches down there up on the up on the lines. That ain't gonna be good. Lots of fairly is out. Hannaford's in Bradford.